Hi there, I'm Sheryll and I will take you through all the cues you need to watch out for next week, and starting with earnings. 13 Nifty companies will report their Q1 earnings next week, starting with ICICI Bank that will report its earnings on Saturday. Most analysts expect the corporate bank to post a good set of numbers, and ditto is for Axis Bank. Apart from that, you have SBI, Bharti Airtel, Tech Mahindra that will report its Q1 earnings next week. Apart from the earnings, the auto companies will continue to hog limelight next week as well. Remember, the entire sector is going through a slowdown which started last year, and these companies are expected to post even weak sales numbers for the month of July as well. So those are the companies that will be in focus as well this week. Earnings, auto companies. Apart from all of this, you'll also have some of this week's buzzers that will be in focus next week as well. Zee Entertainment, that impending stake sale is all set to be completed by the end of this month, as in the company will come out with the announcement on who will buy the stake in Zee Entertainment. The management came out after their earnings stating that they've received one binding bid, they are waiting for another one, and they'll actually go ahead and analyze the both and pick the best one out of that. So July end is the date when Zee Entertainment is likely to complete with their stake sale. Apart from that, DHFL, some glimmer of hope for that company. Sources have indicated that AON Capital will pick up 51% stake in the company for 8,000 crore rupees of infusion. Remember that there are lenders that are waiting for a resolution in DHFL case. Yes Bank was one of the major buzzers on back of the news because sources indicated that the lenders will not have to take a big haircut. So DHFL, Zee Entertainment and as well as Yes Bank will be in focus next week as well. And those are the cues you need to watch out from the market front for next week. Apart from that, you have some economic data that will come out next week. April to June fiscal deficit data will be released by the CSO on July 31st, along with the core sector data that will be released by the Finance Ministry. August 1st, you will have the Nikkei Manufacturing PMI for India as well as the GST collections for the month of July. So those are the cues that you need to watch out when it comes to domestic news. But what are the cues that you need to watch out from the global front? You have the all key important FOMC meet that will take place from July 30th to 31st. Remember, the analysts are expecting the Fed to go ahead and cut their rates by 25 basis points. But recently, remember, the ECB did not go ahead and cut rates as anticipated. So that's one of the reasons why the market is a little bit jittery on what the Federal Reserve will actually go ahead and do next week. And those are all the cues that you need to watch out for next week. And it's a goodbye from me, Sheryll.